So it's at that post stop. See,
Yeah, I think so. Upstairs there. Yeah. Wait for Liam.
Look! You're not gonna look at me there. Look up, stack your
Wow. Oh, wow.
Empire State, yeah.
With regards to Deca, wala dito. Dito na kaya yun? Baba
Then it's down here.
Ha?
It's down
Where,
here.
where?
Here.
There you go. Yan. Doon tayo muna.
What I asked about, yeah?
Which one?
I asked the lady if we can get in there. Is it not?
Pinakababa for yan, so careful as steep siya. So on the other side, hi there, we're going for the beam. I can use it as long as I don't go beyond, right?
Beyond that, yes.
Yeah, but here's the thing, we have 3 decks. If I'm on the upper deck, I'm overlooking the second upper deck.
No, you have to have it like straight up.
Still, always still.
Because if it falls and hits someone's head, then that wouldn't be too good. Yeah. Just close it before you go in so you don't hit it.
Okay, of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
But when I'm in the beam, I can extend a little bit.
no, you can have anything happen on the beam.
Oh, it's just us.
Just you.
Okay. No selfie.
No.
Because you have a picture.
Oh, yeah.
But you guys do get a picture.
We do get a picture.
Yes, it'll be digital. Okay.
Thank you.
All types of bags. Loose articles of clothing, jewelry, and footwear must be covered. All pockets must be emptied prior to your
We put this in the bag.
Yeah.
Proceed to the beam after storing your items. If you have any questions or require special accommodations, usually a member of our team.
So we might have anything on our person.
Buckle up. Our team will perform a series
No
of
phone. Can we hold a phone?
No phones.
No.
Nothing at all.
Up you go. Please remain facing forward with your feet and hands at or above the base of the beam and never tuck underneath. The beam will begin to sink in. The top pause while we capture your experience.